In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix errors on TurboTax. If you've ever found yourself stuck in the process of filing your taxes online, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through resolving any potential errors you might encounter. TurboTax is a sophisticated tool designed to simplify the tax filing process, but like any software, it can sometimes present challenges. Let's dive right in and see how you can address these errors efficiently. First, you'll want to start by navigating to TurboTax Online for the 2025 tax year. This is the central hub where you'll manage everything related to your taxes. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your current tax information. Once you're in, you'll be able to see your dashboard where all of your tax documents and forms are housed. This is where the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, you need to manage your taxes. This involves reviewing the information you've already inputted to ensure everything is correct. Look for any sections that might need your attention. TurboTax will often flag areas that are incomplete or potentially incorrect, so pay close attention to any notifications you see on your dashboard. This is your cue to dive deeper into those specific sections and verify all the details you've entered. As you navigate through the platform, keep an eye out for any error indicators. TurboTax is pretty good at letting you know when something isn't right. A banner or alert might pop up on your screen, highlighting where exactly the issue lies. This feature is incredibly useful because it saves you from having to search through each section manually. When you see this banner, click on it to get more information about the error that needs your attention. Once you've located an error, the next step is to access it and complete the necessary details to resolve it. This might involve providing additional information or correcting existing entries. TurboTax will often provide tips or guidance right there on the screen to help you understand what needs to be corrected. Follow these prompts carefully and don't rush through them. Taking your time here ensures that you won't have to come back and fix the same error later. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any errors you encounter on TurboTax. Remember, the key is to stay calm and take each step one at a time. Tax filing can be daunting, but with the right approach, you'll navigate it like a pro. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing process.